Binance Futures Trading for Beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the Binance Futures Trading for Beginners, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. Now I'm going to divide this into 4 sections, right? So you have Binance. The section 1 includes understanding Binance Futures, which means that Binance Futures is a platform where traders can speculate on the price movements of cryptocurrencies without owning the underlying assets, and it allows you to go for long, betting on the price increase, or short, betting on the price decrease with leverage, amplifying potential gains or losses. Now section 2 is about account setup and navigation. Now setting up a Binance Futures account is simple. You'll need to transfer funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet, and once done you can navigate through the trading interface over here, where you can find various trading pairs, charts and order types and so on. Section 3 is about risk management and leverage. It's crucial to manage risk in futures trading. Set stop loss and take profit orders to protect your investments. Also understand leverage because it amplifies both gains and losses. Start with lower leverage ratios and gradually increase as you gain experience. Now section 4 is the practical trading tips, because research is key. Analyze market trends, use technical analysis tools, and stay updated on news that might impact the market. Start with small trades to understand the platform and gradually increase your position size. A bit of conclusion that I would like to give you is that wraps up our beginner's guide, because also remember it's crucial to practice caution and continuously learn as you navigate this exciting world of derivatives trading. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.